Solution using Python. Now in this program we are going to generate random numbers between 1 to 10, and if our lucky draw number is equal to a random number, then we get 1,000 rupees in our account, say account. Or if we lost, then get account we get minus 100 rupees from account. Okay, so that is if our lucky draw number is same as random number, then account get increased by 1,000 rupees. And if it is not lucky draw number is not equal to random number, then we are going to lose 100 rupees. So now we are going to uh, uh, see this lottery simulation by using Python code. So here first we are going to import, say, random. Okay, then we are going to ask user enter your, please, again it is an integer number, so input enter your choice, enter your choice enter your choice. Okay, and lucky draw is equal to lucky number is equal to random dot, we are going to generate in random integers from 1 to 10. Okay, and initially we assume the account is equal to what, 0. And if our bet is equal to lucky numbers, then we are going to increase. In that case our account get increase is equal to account plus 1,000, say 1,000. And if we lost, else it get account is equal to what, is equal to account minus 100. So now finally we are going to print account, print balance is equal to what, account. So now if we run this, we maximize this window. Okay, enter your choice. So enter your choice, say choice is equal to say 2, then we lost 100 rupees. Okay, so if we print here, print the lucky number, you can use you can print lucky number also. Print the lucky number is lucky number is equal to lucky number. Okay, So now again, if you run here and enter your choice, say we are you want to choose a number from 1 to 10. So lucky number is 7, but we selected 4, so again we lost 100 rupees. Okay, we can display here message, enter your choice from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Okay, so now if you clear the screen, clear, and if we run one more times, say enter your choice, say 5, again we lost. Okay, so enter your choice from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Okay, so now if we again run one more times, say, okay, we can see enter your choice, say if we enter say 6, no, again we lost. Suppose we if we run this loop, if we run this code 10 times, and then we are going to check whether what is our balance. So now again we are going to use for I in a range say 10, range 10, and now okay, want to clear first, and if we run this, okay, invalid, range I in range 1 to 10. Okay, now if we run this, enter your choice, say 2, no, we lost 100 rupees. Again 3, we lost, balance is what, 100 rupees. Account is equal to account minus 100, say 5, loss 6, loss 7, no, 3, no, 4, 5, yes, we won here. You can check here, the we selected 5 and lucky number is also 5, so our account get increased by 1000 rupees. So again if we select one more random number, say 7, loss again 6, again get a loss 8, so it is what, 100. So now you can, okay, what we want to do here, we are going to write this account above the for loop. So write down here account is equal to 0. Now we are going to see how much profit we earn. Clear. So if we enter a choice, say 2, then balance is 100, 3, balance is minus 200, then 8, minus 300, 5, minus 400, 3, minus 500, 8, minus 600, 4, loss again 2, minus 800, you can see here 6, minus 900, 7, minus 1000. Okay, so we lost 1000 rupees here, we lost 1000 rupees. So again one more times, if we run here, see if we clear the previous output, and okay, one more times if we run, enter your choice between 1 to 10. So if our choice is equal to lucky number, then we get 1000 rupees, otherwise we are going to lose 100 rupees. So in first case we lost 100 rupees. Again if we select a random number, say 5, again we lost 100 rupees. Say 6, lost 100 rupees. Then 8, lost 100 rupees. Say 5, lost 8, lost 3. Okay, here you can see at this step our selected number and our choice is same as lucky number, so our account get increased by 1,000 rupees, but already in account balance is what, minus 400. So minus 400 plus 1,000 is what, 600. So balance remaining is what, 600. In the next choice again we lost 100 rupees, so balance remains 500. Again in next choice we select 3, so balance getting 400. Again one more times if we select say here 2, then balance again we lost 100 rupees, say 7, we lost 200 rupees, 9, if we lost 100 rupees. So you can see here most of the time we are losing. So now we are going to uh, increase the loop up to say 100 or say 300 times. For that also we are going to insert this bait by using computer. So here bait is also what, bait is equal to random, say bait is also a random number, and then we are going to check uh, finally what is our balance. So bait is also random number between 1 to 10, lucky number is also random number between 1 to 10. And if our random number is equal to lucky number is same as bait, then we increase, we get account increase by 1,000, otherwise we lost 100. And finally if we print balance, then we are going to check how much amount is left in our account. So clear. So if we run this, okay, you can see here when 10 amount is left 23,000. Okay, now we are going to increase the loop say 100 times, and now we are going to see how much money is left in account. Okay, so now we can now you can see balance is left is what, 1,000 time. You can check when we run 100 times, minus 100 rupees loss, minus 200, minus 300, minus 400. Again we won here. Okay, you can print where you can won the bed, you can print here, print print, you can write here say you can print. Okay, no, there is no need to print here. Okay, now suppose we increase the range here, instead of 10 if we write here 20 and 20, that is we are going to select a number between 1 to 20, and then we are going to check. Okay, so if we run this, now you can see here the balance is what, minus 34,000. Balance is what, minus 34,000. So if we increase the random number between 1 to 20, in that case you can see here the balance remaining is what, minus 34,000. Now you can increase the range also, say 360 or say 500, and range again we write a range from 1 to 10, and here also 1 to 10, and then we are going to check our balance, what the balance is left here. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, here is the profit in our account balance is what, 5,000. 5,000. So again one more times if we run 11,000, if we run say 5,000, something happen, 500 times account get. Okay, here instead of 210 I am writing here 20, and say 20, and numbers between 1 to 20. And then now we are going to check. You can see here we lost 23,600. So if we select the random number between 1 to 20, we lost minus 23,600. One more time, say we clear the screen, and if we run one more times, say you can check, we lost here minus 25,800. You can also draw a graph of this simulation. So for that, again we want to import here, import to draw the graph, say xy axis graph. We want to import here, we are going to import mat plot lib dot py plot as say plt, okay, or pl. You can write we write this for, instead of this command we write here it as a plt. Now we create one random array, empty array, say x is equal to empty array, y is equal to empty array. Now we are going to store day in x. So x is x dot, by using the command append, we write here I plus 1. Why? Because since when we said it is I is from range 500, I start from 0. So for first day we are going to write here x dot append I plus 1. Now for balance we are going to write here y dot append account. Okay, so account, and then finally we are going to write plt dot plot xy, okay, and then plt dot show show. By using this command you can print. So it will clear the previous output. And if you run here, balance is what? Sorry. We are going to close this console. So now if you run, you can check here. Okay, so we are okay, we lost 5 minus, you can see we are losing amount. So when we are going to simulate this to range 500, then and above, if our random number between 1 to 20, then you can see so getting numbers. So when we take 500 iteration, we are going to loss minus 20,300. You can see here graphs. If we maximize this, okay, sorry, view, maximum. Now you can see here we are losing here, we are losing continuously. Okay, uh, uh, we won here also some at some iteration we account get increased by 1,000 rupees, here also, but you can see graph is continuously decreasing. Here again we get some amount here also. Okay, but you can observe the pattern of the graph is what, continuously decreasing, again here increasing some amount. Okay, but it is again, it is very less. So you can see if we take the range from say here, instead of 100, if we write here 100, and instead of 1 to 20, maybe we can get some profit to 10. And now if we run one more times, okay, and now we are getting some amount. You can see here graph also. So if we maximize this graph, okay, now you can see here we are getting some profit here again we are losing here. Then our lucky draw number is same as bet. Okay, so it is what, zigzag type. We are at some point we are getting profit, again we are losing amount, some getting profit. Okay, so you can observe the pattern of this graph. If we what, if we decrease the iteration, so so here we are going to select our lucky draw number and bet from 1 to 10. If we increase the range of random numbers, say 1 to 20 or say 1 to 15, you can see again we are losing some amount. We are going to lose some amount. So continuously it is decreasing now. Continuously it is decreasing. If you see this, okay, maximize this, you can see here we are continuously losing here, and at some point it getting increasing, account balance getting increasing, but continuously balance is getting what, decreasing. So finally we lost minus 4,500. Okay, so thank you.